Hello, grade 3. Welcome to another Read Aloud. Are you seeing that what is written on the cover of the book? Skin. Yes, the skin you live in. It can be dark, it can be light, it can be soft, sometimes it can be rough. Written by Michael Taylor. Hey, look at your skin, the wonderful skin you live in. The skin you are all day in, the skin that you play in, the skin that you snuggle up, cuddle up, lay in, lying on the bed. The skin that you beam in, the skin that you scream in. The skin that you dream about eating ice cream in. The skin you have fun in. The skin that you run in. The skin that you hop, skip and jump in the sun in. Can you see the sun and jumping? The skin you laugh in. The skin that you cry in. The skin that you look to the sky and ask why in. It's baby born new skin and your family too skin and glows when it shows that it knows we love you skin. It faced the rainbowed skin and snow angel cold skin and warm again let it in. Sunshine, behold skin. It's trembling fright skin and cringes at night skin, but turn off the lights to make birthday cake bright skin. It's whatever you do skin, be happy, it's you skin, you can't live without it. I'm glad it's me too skin. And look at the shades. It comes in the shades of colorful skin. Can you see the color of the skins of these people and children? Your coffee and cream skin, your warm cocoa dream skin, your chocolate chip double dip Sandoz supreme skin, your marshmallow treat skin, your spun sugar sweet skin, your cherry topped candy top frosting complete skin. These are the types of skins. Your pumpkin pie slice skin, your caramel corn nice skin, your coffee toffee wrapped, ginger snapped cinnamon spice skin, your butterscotch gold skin, your lemon tart bold skin, your mountain high apple pie cookie dough rolled skin. Now look once again at your skin. Looking. And the skin all people live in. It's not tall skin or short skin or best in the spot skin or fat skin or thin skin. You lose and I win skin. No, it's not like that. Nor sad skin or mad skin. You are naturally bad skin. I'm rich and you are poor and you will never have more skin. It's not dumb skin or a smart skin or keeps us apart skin or weak skin or strong skin. I'm right and you are wrong skin. It's not like that. Nor she skin or he skin. You're better than me skin. I am lesser you skin. It's me against you skin. It's not about comparison. It's not any of this, cause you are more than you seem. You are all that you think and you hope and you dream. You are a gifted creation with imagination. You are a new day desire to reach even higher. You're not here to compare about yourself, right? You are the feelings that start from down deep in your heart. You are the pride and the joy inside each girl and boy. So, whenever you look at your beautiful skin, from your wiggling toes to your giggling grin, look, think how lucky you are that the skin you live in so beautifully holds the who's within. You are within. And like flowers in the fields that make wonderful views when we stand side by side in our wonderful hues. We all make a beauty so wonderfully true. We are special and different, just the same too. So this is about your skin. Love your skin as you are. Thank you.